Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely pumped you're joining me because today we're looking at something that is literally changing how we interact with information. If you've ever felt completely bogged down by endless rows, columns, and those infuriating syntax errors, you are going to love this. We're unpacking a tool that essentially puts a data scientist right in your pocket. It's called FormulaBot. We're going to cover exactly what it is, how it works, and why it's generating massive buzz. All right, let's just jump right in. Section 1, the spreadsheet struggle. Okay, before we get to the fix, we really need to acknowledge the problem. Data is supposed to be empowering, right? It's supposed to give us insights and push our projects forward. But let's be real. For most of us, getting from raw data to an actual usable insight is a massive bottleneck. Are you tired of fighting with complex spreadsheet formulas and endless data formatting? Seriously, think about the last time you stared at a blinking cursor, desperately trying to remember where a comma goes in some giant nested if statement, or when a VLOOKUP just keeps shouting error at you. Historically, the technical barrier for real data analysis has been way too high. It's frustrating, it eats up your valuable time, and frankly, it locks non-technical folks out of unlocking their own data. So, we've got a really stark contrast here. The old way is just a manual grind. We're talking complex coding, endless formula frustration, and hours upon hours of tedious data prep before you can even start analyzing. But the formula bot way? Total game changer. It's frictionless, plain English prompts, and instant visual insights. We're literally moving from a world where you have to speak the computer's language to a world where the computer finally speaks yours. Section 2. Meet FormulaBot. All right, we know the struggle, so let's properly introduce the hero that's designed to eliminate it entirely. FormulaBot is an AI-powered data analytics platform that turns plain English questions into charts, tables, dashboards, insights, and actionable reports in seconds. And I really want to emphasize that part, in seconds. It's this incredibly smart assistant for both Excel and Google Sheets. Whether you're prepping data, doing deep analysis, or you just need a really complex formula written for you, this platform handles the whole shebang. It's essentially an on-demand data scientist living right in your browser. Section 3. Your on-demand data scientists. Let's break down the actual superpowers that make this tool so ridiculously practical. Whether you're in business, marketing, finance, or even a student, this is all about democratizing data. The big one here is natural language data analysis. This is the beating heart of the platform. It's the ability to ask questions about your data in plain English, or honestly any language you prefer, and instantly get back visualizations and summaries without writing a single line of code. No SQL, no Python. You just type something like, "What were our top-selling products last quarter by region?" And the AI does the heavy lifting, giving you the exact chart you asked for instantly. And the tools bundled in here are wild. We're not just talking basic formulas. It generates, explains, debugs, and optimizes complex Excel and Google Sheets scripts effortlessly. There's an AI dashboard generator that builds interactive dashboards from one single prompt. It connects directly to Google Analytics, BigQuery, databases, Snowflake, so you can clean and merge data in a snap. Oh, and it packs a PDF to Excel converter, which is an absolute lifesaver for parsing bank statements, plus text and sentiment analysis for customer reviews, and SQL and regex generators. It's like having an entire analytics department rolled into one platform. The workflow is incredibly slick. Step 1, you just ask your data a question in plain English. Step 2, you get instant summaries and insights. Step 3, you generate beautiful, interactive dashboards from that single prompt. It is a wildly fast 3-step sprint from raw, messy data to a polished, actionable report that you can hand straight to your boss or client. It totally revolutionizes the speed at which you go from simple curiosity to visual proof. Section 4, Real Results and Reviews. Now, listing cool features is great, but how does it actually perform in the wild? Well, check out this feedback from a user. FormulaBot is like having a data scientist on call 24/7. It saves me hours every week. That hits the nail on the head regarding the biggest value add here: time. Eliminating the friction of data analysis literally gives everyday users hours of their lives back. You can actually focus on high-level strategy instead of mindless manual data entry. Here's another one from the community. Generating complex Excel formulas from plain English is incredibly accurate and fast. This proves it's not just some flashy gimmick. When you ask for a complex, multi-layered formula, it actually works. For power users who absolutely need precision, that accuracy is a huge standout. Or consider this experience. built a full interactive dashboard from raw data in under 2 minutes. Absolutely game-changing. Guys, 2 minutes! Doing that manually can take hours or even days depending on how messy your raw data is. That sheer speed of dashboard creation reinforces why this is such a powerful daily workflow tool. It takes advanced analytics and hands them directly to non-technical users. Section 5. Things to keep in mind. Now, as part of this explainer, I've got to give you the full transparent picture. No tool is perfect for every single scenario. So let's look at the breakdown. It's absolutely ideal for speeding up analysis, killing formula frustration, and getting instant no-code visuals. But what might it struggle with? First, if you've got super massive or highly complex datasets, you might need to bump up to a paid plan for the horsepower. Second, the free plan does cap your messages and AI actions, so heavy users will hit that ceiling pretty fast. And third, while the AI is incredibly smart, you might occasionally need to tweak and refine your prompts to get highly specific, nuanced results. It's an assistant, so sometimes you just have to guide it a little bit. Section 6, the 2026 verdict. So let's pull all of this together. The pain points, the superpowers, the real-world reviews, the limits. What's the ultimate takeaway here? Well, the verdict from our sources is that if you want to work smarter with spreadsheets in 2026, FormulaBot is hands down one of the most practical, powerful AI tools out there. It fundamentally shrinks the gap between asking a question and getting an actionable insight. You get real business intelligence, and you don't even need a computer science degree to do it.
And the consensus totally backs this up. It's sitting at an outstanding 4.8 out of 5 stars. People are raving about its speed, its accuracy, and how seamlessly it integrates, with only a few minor gripes about those free tier limits we talked about. When software hits a 4.8 in a market this crowded, you know for sure they're doing something right.
Oh, and here's a really fun bonus fact. Because FormulaBot is featured on Quasa.io, users can actually snag a 1QUA reward just for exploring the tool through their platform. So it's a sweet little added incentive to test drive something that's already designed to save you time and headaches. As we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought. What data would you analyze right now if you didn't have to write a single line of code? Seriously, think about that scary spreadsheet sitting on your desktop that you've been avoiding all week. Think about the insights buried in there. With tools like this available, the barrier is totally gone. The only limit now is your curiosity. Thanks so much for hanging out with me to explore this, and I absolutely encourage you to go see what insights you can uncover for yourself.